Oh. Yeah, you're on. So, we're just getting through this part of Oneida. Just stopped at our favorite place to eat when we're on the road, Taco Bell, because that way we're already gassed up and ready to go. Okay, that was a good joke. And I guess we're in Oneida Castle. Heading to, is it Johnstown, New York now? Okay. So I thought originally we were going to Little Falls, but apparently we're going past it and then back to Little Falls because our hotel's in Johnstown and another group of people is going to be in Johnstown. So we're going there first. We take all back roads and no expressways yet. We're not feeling that. Shit's boring anyways. And of course, you know, Heather looking cute back there. How the saddlebags look? They look good?
Look good.
Okay, still on there. So yeah, we're testing out the Coretech. Oh man, I'm gonna fuck this up. Super 224 red punch bug, no punch backs. Sorry, 26 liter contoured tailbags. I think that's what we're using. That sounds about right. I'll put a link in the description. But we're testing these out for this trip because our last trip was a little bit too much on my back. I was carrying a 55 liter backpack, basically filled to the brim for the whole weekend, and by this time, or well, this distance in our ride, my back was shot. So this is saving me. And then we might get possibly more bags if we keep touring around like this. Anything you want to add, Heather?
No, everything's good.
Okay, everything's good. So everybody enjoy our ride, and we'll probably be back and forth if anything fun happens.
I was hoping I was going to get that punch bug because you were talking to YouTube, but I wasn't sure if it was a punch bug, so I didn't want to say it.
No, I am definitely still ahead on punch bug. That's 2 for me today, correct?
Yeah. You could have moved over a little bit, you wide ass.
Looks like they're stopping up over this hill, so heads up. Oh, there's another cop up here. Might be what she's moving for. Oh, checkpoint, maybe. Oh, I don't know. I see a car on the right side and a car on the left, but I don't see any...
People in the middle?
Yeah, I don't see anybody in the middle.
Sorry, I can't make you.
No, it's fine. You're doing shit. They're in the field out here, so it might be an accident.
No, it's like a fair or something.
Oh, yeah, I guess there's a fair or something going on. Event parking, what? Oh, Utica Rome Speedway. Duh. I forgot about the fucking Speedway. How would you use a turn signal there up there, jackass? You guys could be out there directing traffic. Love the hat, Sheriff. I forgot about the Speedway. It's all dirt, though. This one's all dirt. Dirt to dirt to dirt.
That'd be cool to watch.
You ever been to one?
I've been to one dirt track. But it's not this track.
Unexpected twists and turns. I'll put my glove back on soon. Took my glove off.
Why?
My hand was cramping up. My throttle hand, so took it off, threw it in my jacket. Yep. This looks shitty too.
Yeah.
Slow it way down and yep. What the fuck are we doing? Welcome to Jurassic Park. No, I better not post that on YouTube. We'll have a copyright infringement.
Quarter mile, right? Oh,
No, we're turning left right now.
the one with that stop.
Okay. When we stop there, I'm gonna put my glove back on.
I don't see no full.
Yeah, just slow it down. You don't know, it could be right around this corner. The way this road's been. It's kind of cool though, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh god. Oh wait, where the fuck are we going? We're going right? You serious?
Yeah.
Okay, hold on one sec. Just. I just turned it off so that the engine would hold. Yeah, my hand really cramped up there, so I just whipped it off. Okay.
But the only thing is that I'm not sure how close the hotel is to the...
We'll find out. Go ahead, Sweet Cheeks.
Shit.
Is it? Okay, yeah.
We're on this... Oh, bumpies everywhere. We're on this for half a mile. Then we're...
Because I could. I was gonna say it's got to be 30 down through this.
Yeah, when we turned, there was a sign that said 30.
Yeah,
But
I saw.
if you turn from the other direction, it would
Oh, oh, this is fucking cool. Erie Canal, I take it.
taking his boy fishing.
St. Johnsville. Okay, never been here before, or even heard of it. So let's see what we got.
Going with at the stop sign and then right.
Nice. I'm going with I love you.
Love you.
You going? I can't really see anything.
Yeah, no. My bad, lady.
Yeah, I don't really care. Way to go, babe. You're going on YouTube. You're going on YouTube for being in the crosswalk.
Kiss my ass.
at the light?
No, I don't think so. I think
Okay,
it's
there.
up
Yeah,
that turn lane.
I see it up there. Yep. I'm moving over now. Just give us some time. I don't see anybody coming, so I'm going. There's one way in the distance. I think you can make it pretty easily. I'm just gonna put it over here.